Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Aditya Ravindra Ronade and today's video is about maintenance procedure of nuclear power plant and its working.
Here is the first slide. Maintenance procedure and working of nuclear power plant. Maintenance procedure. The power plant's maintenance program will include condition monitoring and preventive maintenance of structures and components. During operation, parts of the plant will also be renovated according to the best available knowledge to achieve an even higher safety level. Some maintenance work can only be performed during annual outages when the plant is shut down. During these outages, some of the fuel will be replaced and necessary inspections and maintenance will be carried out. The annual outages will be intensive periods of work. They will last between 2 weeks and 1 month. During those times, hundreds of external workers may be busy around the clock at the plant. In addition to actual maintenance crew and inspectors, many people will be needed for various support functions such as cleaning and radiation protection. Types of maintenance. Revolutionary changes have taken place in the electricity industry in many countries. Market liberalization and privatization processes have led to a highly competitive market environment. The well-managed NPPs, with their low fuel cost and permanently declining operation and maintenance costs, are often among the least expensive base load power plants to operate. In a competitive regime, this situation encourages but also forces NPP owners to reduce further their operation and maintenance costs, but of course without compromising safety, which is as always a paramount consideration. The major portion of maintenance cost, which at 25 to 30% is the highest charge among the elements of NPP operation and maintenance costs, are realized during plant maintenance and refueling outage periods. Since the primary purpose of NPP maintenance is to allow nuclear operators to use all those features necessary for safe and reliable power production by keeping them available, adequate maintenance is essential from the point of view of reliability of components and equipment. From the very simple, only fix it when it is broken technique 1950 through to the preventive maintenance from early 1950s to end of 1970s. Optimized versions of NPP maintenance have been evolved. One of these, where the component conditions determine the maintenance actions, is the predictive or condition based maintenance approach. The various maintenance types and their characteristics are shown in figure, and here it is. Maintenance has two types, preventive and corrective. Preventive have two subtypes, periodic and predictive. Periodic, time limit unknown, service, preventive restoration or replacement, and predictive, continuous periodic monitoring and in service inspection, then known, then okay, degraded, and then preventive restoration and replacement again. Corrective has four subtypes, failure, known, failed, corrective, restoration or replacement. Working of nuclear power plant. The elements like uranium or thorium are sieved nuclear fission reaction of a nuclear reactor. Because of this fission, a huge amount of heat energy can be generated and it is transmitted to the coolant reactor. Here the coolant is nothing but water, liquid metal, otherwise gas. The water is heated to flow in a heat exchanger so that it changes to high temperature steam. Then the steam which is produced is permitted to make a steam turbine run. Again the steam can be changed back into the coolant and recycled to use for the heat exchanger. So the turbine and alternator are connected to produce electricity. By using a transformer, the electricity which is produced can be increased to use in long distance communication. Thank you friends.